Craig's launch of its newest generation of 3 new pocket hole jigs and 5 new accessories represent completely reimagined design and engineering to deliver best-in-class speed, simplicity, and precision. Designed for the builder who creates in distinctive ways, in different places, and with individual building challenges, Craig's Jig Solutions exceed these challenges to include unique designs and purpose-built features for both the professional and DIYer. These new jig products build on a strong legacy of Craig pocket hole jigs and replace the K4 and K5 family of jigs. First, the versatile 520 Pro pocket hole jig with Versa grip handle is essential for project builders who need an easy-to-use portable jig on any project, on any work surface or workspace. Just squeeze the handle and clamp it onto your 1/2" to 1.5" thick material or project. Set your drill stop collar and drill. The 520 Pro jig comes with an easy set drill bit with stop collar, material thickness gauge hex wrench, a 6" driver bit, a 2" face clamp, a pocket hole screw sample pack, and a project plan. Next, the 720 pocket hole jig was engineered to take your wood projects to the next level with features like One Motion Automax clamping, which automatically clamps and sets the material thickness setting for pieces 1/2" to 1.5" thick. Press the handle and the jig does the rest. The 720 has Grip Max anti-slip material to keep your jig to workplace secure. The jig also has a chip ejection port that connects to your shop vacuum to eliminate waste. The 720 jig comes with an easy set drill bit with stop collar, material thickness gauge hex wrench, a 3" and 6" driver bit, a 2" face clamp, a pocket hole screw sample pack, and a project plan. Additionally, the 720 Pro pocket hole jig offering takes the 720 pocket hole jig to the next level with an added Craig docking station, transforming the pocket hole jig into the ultimate benchtop workstation, which includes the pocket hole jig clamp. Every element of this jig was crafted to maximize the work you do so you can get high-quality results. The 720 Pro jig comes with an easy set drill bit with stop collar, material thickness gauge hex wrench, a 3" and a 6" driver bit, a 2" face clamp, a pocket hole screw sample pack, and a project plan. The 5 new accessory offerings from Craig are the 530 and 730 micro pocket kits, which snap into your pocket hole jig to create 25% smaller pocket holes. Great for small projects, 1/2" material, and narrow stock. Next is the custom plug cutter drill guide kit accessory, which snaps into your 700 series pocket hole jig to create custom pocket hole plugs that blend perfectly into your project. Next, turn your 520 Pro or 720 pocket hole jigs into a workstation with the 750 docking station accessory. Expand the capability of these jigs with added storage and support wings for long material pieces. Included with the docking station is the pocket hole jig clamp to secure the jig to your workspace. Finally, the all-steel pocket hole jig clamp is included with the 720 Pro and is also an accessory to convert the 500 series pocket hole jigs to a benchtop setup and to provide additional stability to the 700 series pocket hole jigs. Check out all the latest innovations by Craig at your Woodcraft stores nationwide or visit us online at woodcraft.com.